Okay, so now that you're in MOER, when you go into our class, you should see something that looks like this. And if you're in a different class, you should see something that looks like this, maybe with different blocks, but same idea. How you're going to go ahead and create an assignment. So your teacher hopefully has already set up blocks. For my class, we're doing competency 1 or competency 2. They have the competencies to work on. So what we're going to do is inside competency 2, we're going to create an assignment for us to create problems in. So you'll see here inside the block, and if you can't see it, they might just be collapsed. So you might just need to click the little arrow button to get them to show up. So what we're going to do is going to say add an item, and we would like to add an assessment. So once you have done that, now you get to give it a name. So you could call it whatever your group wants to call it, as far as so we can find later on what problems you're actually doing here. Um, I'm going to just call these algebraic limits. And they could be more specific if you want, because again, these are for us to practice, not for a class, so we can always work on it later. Now what we're going to do is for the when to see it, because we're all teachers, it doesn't really matter, but I'm just going to change everything to available always until end date, always after start date, so that way if we do get classmates in here doing problems, they can see them to practice them when they come in. So we're going to go ahead and create our assignment, and that's all we needed to do. Now when we go back, we're going to hit done, and you'll see there's our assignment. And in the next video, we're going to go in and create a problem.